Assalamualaikum and hi guys. Today I want to show you guys how to create TRON Tyre. This TRON Tyre. TRON Tyre has no. It's just a dead tire, empty in the inside. So this is TRON Tyre. So let's do it. So open a new sketch. So first on the front plane we sketch construction line. We x-axis determine it as for construction line, y-axis 1 construction line, and then we just draw any shape, half shape of the tire that we want to create. Half shape. I just draw a random shape of the tire. This is how drawn tire half shape looks like, because there has no air inside. So before you sketch the tire, you have to know the diameter of the tire itself. So based on this, I draw this tire by using this diameter that I set up. This is diameter, so we're gonna to draw front tire, which is the inner diameter is 420 and the outer diameter is 645. After you have done with draw the half shape of tire, you determine the dimension. This is the dimension. Just click this point and the construction line. If you put here up, put half of the before the construction line up to the construction line x-axis construction line, it will show you the radius diameter, the radius. If you put your pointer under the construction line, it will show you. You have to fill it with the diameter. So the outer diameter will take 645 mm. Make sure your unit is correct. So this, I forgot to draw this line. You need to sketch a close sketch. So this is the inner diameter, which is 420. So this is the size. So we just move this. So I just put 4 mm. Just move. I just put 8 mm. here from here. So the width of the tire I have fixed it in the TRON drawing, which is 160 mm. 160 mm is the width of the TRON tire. I just don't want to see here. So here we just make it 170 around there, and then we adjust the shape to more look like a tire. So nice. So here we do 3 mm. It's not gonna too big because we gonna to mirror it. This is 5 mm. So this is the tire half shape look like. And the next step is we just remove this cache. So axis of revolution, we choose the x-axis construction line, and if we remove, so this is the half tire look like. So the next step I will show you how to draw the track, tire track. First we need to create a new plane, which first reference we just take a front plane because we want to draw the track is on the plane. So we just put just create a plane in front of the tire. Any, don't touch the tire. Before we draw the plane, you have to create offset surface. Offset surface is where if we want cut the thread, it will cut until the surface that we offset. Just now, for this tire I just offset of 2 mm. 2 mm. So we have offset it 2 mm. Oh, before that we have to check, make sure that the offset is inside the tire, not outside. If we offset outside, it will no. If we cut, no cut happen. So we just click here, flip the offset direction, so it will move the offset surface inside the tire. Done. And then we can sketch the thread. I just sketch a random thread, but you guys can customize your own thread design. I just draw simple thread. Then let's fix this. Just determine so we have one design here. And then the next step is cut, extrude cut, from the sketch plane, the direction we choose offset from the surface. For this face of plane, we choose this plane, and then reverse offset. If you guys wrong, set the offset surface feature before this, it will come up with an error. So this show how we do the tread on the face on the tire. After that, after we done one tread, we can pattern it by using circular pattern. First, select the direction. You can select any round. If you want to go round, select the round shape of the tire. Instant spacing or equal spacing. Instant spacing you can it by using the angle that you have fixed. We just equal spacing. Choose any number of threads that you want to click on your tire. Just 22. And choose the feature and face that we have that we've done just now is cut extrude 1. Right click. So we have finished the thread of the tire, and the last step finish our tire is just mirror this tire into two. First, mirror plane. Just click the surface of where you want to mirror the tire. If you click here, you cannot. Just click here. Flat plane. If you click here, it will and then the feature we not gonna to mirror the feature, but we gonna mirror its body. But not here. We gonna to do the plane. We want to mirror it. The plane is face 2. Right. And so we done our tire. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching.